Hello there. Now I'm going to assume that if you found your way to this video, you already know what this is. This is Hello there, and this was our entry into Bugglebots 2019. That was exactly a year ago today. And to celebrate, I've sort of taken this old warrior that is never going to fight again and made myself a version that I can maybe have a little bit more fun with. This is a bold one. That name might change because it's not a very good name. And this is, almost unintentionally, a fully scaled Antweight replica of the original. Now, when I say fully scaled, I mean dimensionally, everything's been scaled down to the cube. Then, all the material thickness has been scaled down. And somehow doing all of this has left it at exactly 148 grams. I had no intention of actually getting this in weight, but there it is. So this is a robot that could actually appear at the next AWS. The one issue it has at the moment, and I'm going to be very careful here because it's very twitchy, the hammer currently doesn't fit. This is kind of replica mode, where I've made it exactly the same as the original, just scaled down. The cube kind of cuts across here, so to actually compete with it, it will need a slightly different hammer shape. But just for fun, I've given it this one now. Now, again, very twitchy controls. I'm going to attempt to give this a little weapons demo for you. Come on. All of my driving talent on display. This is a 400 RPM N20, which I've actually hooked up to the ESC from inside of a servo. I wasn't expecting it to work, but it's actually got a huge amount of poke. I don't know how long it'll last. I was originally running it on full battery voltage. It's currently running off of the Beck. So it should, in principle, be quite happy. But if this gets into a combat situation, we'll see. And of course, the massively exposed end of the motor won't help as well. I also originally had a faster motor on there, but of course, this is mostly for Suv. Suv, if you're watching this, I want you to pay very close attention. On the old motor, it didn't self-right. So, and the lid has just fallen off because it was only taped on. There we go. That is a very spinner-proof image as it sits there. There are flaws. I haven't currently worked out a method of retaining the lid, and the wedge does flop down underneath. But overall, in terms of the visual replica, and it even being in weight, I am immensely happy with how this has turned out. So this is a little celebration of the anniversary. I will be going back and watching the episode later on, and probably getting far too emotional about it. Hope you enjoy.